Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about place value. Our objective is to write a 3-digit number using quick hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's review before we get started. A quick 100 looks like this. A quick 10 looks like this. And a quick 1 looks like this. You'll need to be able to do these on your whiteboard, so please remember those 3 shapes. Watch me as I take the 3-digit number and write it using quick hundreds, tens, and ones. My number is 264. First, I look at the number in the hundreds place. It's a 2, so I make 2 quick hundreds. Next, I look at the number in the tens place. It's a 6, so I add 6 quick tens. Last, I look at the number in the ones place. It's a 4, so I'll add 4 quick ones. Alright, it's your turn to try it with me, so get out your whiteboards and your markers. Our number is 317. First, we're going to look at the number in the hundreds place. It's a 3, so we'll make 3 quick hundreds. Next, we'll look at the number in the tens place. It's a 1, so we'll add 1 quick 10. Last, we'll look at the number in the ones place. It's a 7, so we'll add 7 quick ones. Alright, are you guys ready to try it on your own? Clear your whiteboard. And here we go. Our number is 488. First, look at the number in the hundreds place. Make that many quick hundreds. Next, look at the number in the tens place. Make that many quick tens. Last, look at the number in the ones place. Make that many quick ones. Are you ready to check your work? Does your whiteboard look like this? If it does, you've got it. Congratulations. Good job. And if it doesn't, go back and watch this again. Thanks.